Hello students, I am Professor Kaya Pibili from Mechanical Department of Sir Sundarbai Mani Transfer Polytechnic College, Ahmednagar. Today we are going to discuss about the subject Power Plant Engineering. In that, the second unit is High Pressure Boiler. This subject having the course outcome is select High Pressure Boiler for power generation. Okay, in this subject or in this topic, we are discuss about the high pressure boiler, what is the type of boiler, and fluid-fed combustion and Indian Boiler Regulation Act. Okay, now we will discuss about the high pressure boiler. What is a high pressure boiler or definition of high pressure boiler? High pressure boiler means a boiler generates a vapor up to 140 bar and temperature is 510 to 610 degree Celsius. Then types of boiler. Okay, types of boiler. First, Benson boiler. Second, Lemon boiler. Third one is Leofler boiler. Fourth one is Willox boiler. And fifth one is Ramsey boiler. This is all types of boiler we are discussed in this chapter. Okay, before starting or before proceeding to boiler, you know which is type of boiler means this boiler is having water tube boiler or fire tube boiler. Okay, what is a water tube boiler and what is a fire tube boiler? Okay, difference in water tube boiler and fire tube boiler. Okay, fire tube boiler. What is the difference in between two types of boiler? Okay, water tube boiler means in this boiler water is passing through or circulate in from tube and the flue gases surrounded to the tube. Okay, and fire tube boilers means in that the tubes or in tubes there is a flue gases flow and water is circulated around the tube. This is the difference between water tube and fire tube boiler. Now, before proceeding to our boiler, you have to know in our general life or our general industry, we use water tube boiler generally. Okay, in water tube boiler, this is the all type of high pressure boiler. This is first. Now we are discussing about the first type of boiler, that is a Benson. This is a Benson boiler. It is a high pressure water tube boiler. In this boiler, there is a forced circulation of water and it is having the supercritical boiler means direct conversion of water into steam. That's why there is no required of water separating, steam separating drum in this. Okay, there is this is the main diagram of our Benson boiler. Okay, now we are discuss about the part of this diagram. Okay, blower is there. Next, economizer, evaporator, radiant superheater, combustion chamber. Then hot well. This is a pump. Okay, starting valve, and this is the air preheater. Okay, air preheater. Then how it work? Okay, then we see how it work. Okay, first starting from blower. Blower is the main part of combustion system. Blower takes air from nature and it passes through air preheater. The function of air preheater to preheat the air which is come from blower Okay, this natural air having some water droplets or some moisture, it get converted into hot air. Okay, then from hot well or pump the water from hot well and then passes through economizer. Economizer heats the water, then it passes through radiant superheater. Okay, radiant superheater again it superheats the water, come from economizer, and then this hot water is get to evaporator, and evaporator also heat the water up to the conversion of steam. Okay, the function of economizer and evaporator are same, to convert the hot water into steam, and then this hot water comes from here. This is a superheater. Okay, superheater. What is the function of superheater? To superheat the steam. Okay, to superheat steam. Why it superheat steam? Because the steam having some water droplets, when we are this steam, superheated steam going to the starting system, this is a prime mover. Okay, prime mover means shaft. Okay, this steam will come here in this prime mover. This is a shaft which is connected to the generator, and generator generate the electricity. Okay, this prime mover is connected to our turbine, like impulse turbine or reaction turbine. This turbine having some blades. The blade will not corrode. That's why the steam will superheated. Okay, why superheated? Understand? Then working of this first blower comes to air and heat the preheater is heated the air. Then first get water from hot well, then economizer and evaporator are same function, to convert hot water into steam. Then it goes to radiant superheater to economizer, evaporator, and then evaporator to superheater. Superheat the steam, and then this steam will go the prime mover, and prime mover is connected to our generator, and generator function is to generate the electricity. Okay, then we will see next type of boiler is lemon boiler. In this boiler, the working principle of this boiler is having high pressure water tube boiler. In that, the forced circulation process is there. The main component of this is again blower, economizer, air preheater, water from hot well means pump, and then prime mover, radiant evaporator, combustion chamber, and centrifugal pump. And this is the main component of this boiler. This is the water separating drum. Okay, this is the additional part of this boiler. Okay, in this the working principle of blower is to collect the air from the nature or atmosphere. It supplies to air preheater. What is the function of air preheater? To preheat the air. Why preheat the air? Because the efficiency of boiler will increase because of when heat the air. Okay, then what is the function of pump? Pump the hot well from the water. Okay, then economizer, heat the water. Then radiant evaporator is the when radiation comes from the combustion chamber, it heats the water come from economizer. Okay, what is the function of combustion chamber? To heat, or we supply the fuel from combustion chamber, then it will heat the water. Okay, then water separating drum. As its name indicates, it is a water separating drum. Okay, means it separates water. Okay, then next we will see how it working. First, the blower gets atmospheric air, then air filter brings the air, then pump the hot water from hot well, then next it gives to economizer. Economizer is heat the water from coming hot well. Okay, then it gives to this, see the direction. Okay, it gives to water separating drum. In this water separating drum, upper and lower portion is there. In upper portion there is a water vapor and lower portion there is a water. Okay, this water comes from centrifugal pump. Centrifugal pump force circulation is there. Centrifugal pump the water and then it gives to radiant evaporator. Radiant evaporator heats the water from radiation, comes from combustion chamber, then it passes through economizer. Okay, economizer function is to heat the water or superheat the water. Then it gives to water separating drum again. In that drum, water and vapor are separated. Okay, and this vapor are come from here. This is a superheater, and the function of superheater to superheat the steam. Okay, this is a convective superheater. Okay, and this superheated steam it will give to prime mover. Prime mover is connected to your generator and it generates the electricity. Okay, this is a working of our lemon boiler. In next we are see in next lecture next type of boiler, that is Loeffler boiler, then Willox boiler and Ramsey boiler. Okay, thank you.